Renting a paddleboard is getting so expensive nowadays. That's why I got my own inflatable paddleboard, and this one is one of the best out there in the market. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing process. But what I love the most about this paddleboard is that the material is a really high durable material, and the weight capacity is up to 350 pounds. Let me show you what comes inside the box. Today I'm gonna be using it. This is the actual paddleboard. I honestly love the style of this paddleboard. As you can see, it has a great style. This is the bottom part, and this is the top part. I also like that this paddleboard comes with a non-slippery material right here. So once I stand up on the paddleboard, I'm gonna be safe. This is the air pump. What is cool about this one is that it has two ways of using it. The manual right here. This one right here, this one is the leash. Right there. One of the fins. And right here there are some tools to fix the paddleboard in case you need it. Right there. This is a waterproof bag. And you can actually use it to put some stuff while doing the paddleboard. Right here there is another one of the fins. Paddleboard came with 3 of these fins. Paddleboard also came with this piece, and this is the actual back of the paddleboard, and this is gonna make my life easier. I'm gonna be able to carry this paddleboard everywhere I go. Here I am in this beautiful beach trying my paddleboard, and I'm in love with this paddleboard. It has so many great features. I thought I would recommend it. If you are looking for a paddleboard, this one is one of the best out there in the market. This paddleboard has so many great features. It's very stable. I know I'm gonna enjoy my time doing paddleboard right here. It has so many great features. It comes with these 2 paddles, but as I said, you can use it just one and use it more like a paddleboard. And it also has this non-slippery area. You can also use this paddleboard as a kayak, so I recommend it 100%.